Namaste. It's me, Lokendra Sao, mathematics teacher. And first of all, I want to welcome you. Welcome, children. And today I am going to teach you about the use of a square minus b square formula, to solve the different questions, related to it. Okay, let's start with the first slide. Okay, here's here. And this was the assignment, okay? In assignment activities, I hope that you all have done, okay, nicely. If not done, you can correct it today. And let's start with the first question of the assignment activities, okay? And this question, look here, first if for a square minus b square, and b number 24x cubed minus 6xy square, c number 9 into this one bracket 1 p plus 2q whole square minus 2p minus q whole square, and d number a power 4 minus b power 4. Okay, now let's see its solution. And here, look here, a number 4a square minus b square, solution, right? Then write it again, 4a square minus b square. Then 4a square means 2a this whole square, because when you remove the bracket, this square one, it will come for a square minus b whole square. This is in place of a, this bracket one is b. A square minus b square formula open, then it will be a plus b, a minus b. Then a means 2a plus b, and a here is 2a minus b. This is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. Okay, in place of a here is 2a, in place of b, b1 here. Okay, like this we have to solve this question. Now next see, and here one, 24x cubed minus 6xy square. Solution, 24x cubed minus 6xy square. And if there is common, first of all take common, there is 6x common, then 4x square left here, because 6 4 is 24, and x square left from x cube, and here minus, and 6x gone common, then y square left, right, y square. Write the same outside, okay, common one, and convert this to a square, 2x whole square minus y whole square. This is in plus a, this is in b. This means a square minus b square formula. Write the same again, 6x, then 2x plus y, 2x minus b, because this is a plus b, a minus b. I hope you understood. Now let's see next question. And here, 9 into p plus q square minus 2p minus q square, okay, this whole square. Solution, right? And write question again. And this 9 is the square of 3, that's why write this whole in curly bracket, p plus 2q also in curly bracket. Because when you open this bracket, this should come 9p plus q, this whole square, okay? And it is in bracket also, 2p minus q, this is in b. A square minus, this is b whole square, okay? Now write a plus b, a means what here? 3 into p plus 2q, b means plus 2p minus q. And into, here is a, again this same, this also same a, but here is sign minus, a minus b. A means 3 into p plus 2q minus this bracket 2p minus q, okay? This is, now remove the bracket, 3 into p, 3p, 3 2 is 6, then q, and this plus 2p plus into minus minus, and q, this one, okay, minus q. And here also 3 into p, 3p plus 3 2 is 6q minus 2q minus minus plus q, okay? Now write a 3p plus 2p is 5p, 6q minus q is 5q. Here 3p plus 3p minus 2p is what? P only, that's 1p, and 6q plus q is 7q, okay? And here's 5 5 common, then you can take common, same that one, okay? P plus q is left in bracket. If you take 5 common outside, then 7 plus q is left in another one, okay? This is the solution of C number question, okay? I hope you have done nicely this question. And similarly, look here. In this question, number D, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Write a solution. A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. A to the power 4 means a square whole square, okay, minus b square again whole square, okay. Then right here, This is A, this is B, okay? A square minus B square, that means in place of A square, in place of B square, okay? Right, A square plus B square, that is A plus B. A square minus B, okay, this is A minus B. This we don't have the factorization formula of A square plus B square, right? The same. And now it will be A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B because we have its formula, right? A plus B into A minus B. I hope you have done nicely this. Now let's move to next slide. See here. And this is the today's classroom activities. Okay, I hope you will do together with me. Okay, and there is a square pond of length 5 meter at the center of the square garden x meter long. Find the area of the garden excluding the pond. Means this is the square garden, okay, whose length is x meter, and this is the pond inside this whose length is 5 meter. Means we have to find out the area of this square garden first, that is A1, and this is A2 inside one pond square pond. If you subtract, you know, this square pond from this square garden, then this remaining part will come. Okay, that is the question. See here, it's solved here. Area of square garden A1, that's suppose L square. You can suppose any other alphabets also here, but for the easiness, A for area, it will be easy. X meter whole square, and if you open this bracket, x square meter square, area of square garden, this one square pond. After square garden, find square pond, that's suppose A2. L square, that's 5 meter whole square, 5 is 25 meter square. And now area of the garden excluding the square pond equals to A, that means A1 minus A2. A1 was x square meter square minus A2 was 25 meter square. If you take meter square common, then what is left here? X square minus 25 is left. Like this, we find the area of the remaining part of the garden. Okay, let's move to next slide. And now here in this B number, find the area of the shaded portion in the adjoining diagram. Okay, if radius 12 centimeter, bigger one, and small r is 5 centimeter, what will be its area? Okay, this is the figure adjoining figure one. Okay, and its radius, bigger one radius is capital R, small one radius is small r. It is capital R is 12, small r is 5. We have to find the area of big circle. From big circle area, subtract the small circle area, then this shaded part will come. It's so easy and the part. Okay, here and here. Solution. Area of bigger circle A1 pi r square, capital R this is, okay. Pi means 22 by 7 and r is what, 12 centimeter square. 12 2 is the 20, 144 this one. 12 2 is the 140 centimeter square. This 22 by 7. And when you divide this, it will become 3.142, and other digits also. Just try, better to write 2 digits. You can write 3 4, okay, no problem. And when you multiply this decimal with this number, then it will become 452.448 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area bigger circle one answer. Okay, now here. After that, now find out area of small circle is A2, is that pi r square small r. Okay, 22 by 7 is the value of pi. R means 5 centimeter whole square, and this 22 by 7, this 25 centimeter square. If you open the bracket, 5 is 25 centimeter square, and when you multiply this 22 by 7 and 25, it will come 78.55 centimeter square. As I told you, now area of shaded region equals to A equals to A1 minus A2. Then 452.448 centimeter square minus 78.55 centimeter square, subtract, and it will come 373.898 centimeter square. This is the process to find the area of shaded region. I hope you have understood and you have done similarly also. Let's see here. Next question. Calculate the area of the shaded region in the given diagram. If x equals to 5, what will be its area? Also, okay. Here also we have to find out the area of this bigger square. Okay, bigger square and this small square, and then from this bigger square subtract this small square, then area of shaded part will come. Okay, and in that answer shaded part one, we can put the value of x5. This is the question. Okay, let's move to next page now. And here in this one, look here, the solution is down here. Now for first find area of the bigger square A1, that is L square, that is 2x minus 1 whole square. This was the length, so square, And area of smaller square, that's a2, that's l square, that x plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the length of the small one. And then area of the shaded region, that means a equals to a1 minus a2. As I told you, this was a1, look, this one, okay, minus this is a2 square, subtract. And then there is given question, when x equals to 5, a equals to what is there now? 2 into 5 means 10, minus 1 whole square, minus this x means 5 plus 1 whole square. 10 minus 1 means 9, 9 square means 81, and 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 square means 36. And when you subtract 81 minus 36, you will get 45 meters square. This is the process to find that area of shaded region. I hope you have understood. Okay, today's all the solutions, and you will practice this all the question as your practice question also you can take, and you can take it as assignment work also, and homework also, whatever it is. Okay, if you practice, it will be nice. Okay, thank you very much.